Hey guys, how are we doing? So Dan from Trading with Dan here. This is our Binance MCX and 3 commas update, our challenge, 1 Bitcoin to 2 Bitcoin challenge. If you guys wouldn't mind smashing that like button, and we will go over to the accounts. So let's just refresh this, and first things first, we'll do a bit of calculations. So we have got 633, and we will add that to plus 0.8. Here we go, 831 we'll call it. So 46%, so that's not bad. 1.464 Bitcoin. So I think we're like just over 1.4 yesterday, like literally 1.401 or something. So yeah, 1.464. So we're close guys to halfway there. We're close to half a Bitcoin in 26 days. So yeah, pretty pleased with that. Been doing a bit of shifting around a few coins on here. We had some Zoro, which was obviously going to the absolute moon. So we have subsequently cycled out of that. I'll just show you what that guy's doing. Just had a little pump up to nearly 100. Look at that, guys. This is insane. I was buying this coin at 5, and then I literally sold some at 8, and I just thought, what a quick gain, because it literally pumped the same day. And then by the morning it was at 13, and then by the afternoon it was at 26. But in the morning I took most of it off at 13, and only had like a little bit left off that I just still took it off under 20. And then I sat watching it consolidate, and then I thought, right, this is it. I'm going to buy 19 and 20, and I mean 5x. I mean, the rest is history. So yeah, I've been selling that, and I've been moving into KSM. I believe has been lagging a bit. DOT has not really been lagging, but I bought a little bit more of that, and PCX and Edgeware I've been buying some extra of as well. The 3 commas is, let's refresh this and see how this is going. It is ticking up with a little bit of fear. $280 extra in total profit. A few trades sat on here. Still a bit offside. Completed some safety orders. Completed 3 safety orders in this one in Atom, so we've not got a lot of that left. Completed 2 safety orders. Completed 2. So yeah, you can see these positions are doing their thing. I did actually free up some capital in one of the coins. I can't think which. Oh, it was the one that went absolutely mad today in, I think it was Ren. And I actually moved that into Elrond. I haven't really had any Elrond for a while, since I originally had it before it pumped, and then I sold it. But yeah, so we've got some Elrond to add to the mix. So yeah, if we hide the small balances, so yeah, you can see we still obviously got a lot of USDT here. And then yeah, our positions at the moment, biggest ones are Lend, iExec, Synthetics, which we like, KNC, and then actually Elrond. So, and the rest of them these are the ones that we're obviously working those bot trades on, some of them anyway. So these are obviously not got as much because it's held up in this USDT. So yeah, all in all, very pleased with how it's going. Just over the moon with this coin. It makes me feel better about the fact I missed a lot of the gains in DOS. It was a bit of a tricky one with DOS because I was very bullish of it, but and it was on MXC, where I had the coins, but then it got delisted on MXC, which like gave me the heebie-jeebies. So I kind of wanted to transfer it out, and then I pretty much sold it. But it made a massive gain. I bought it at 0.2 and sold it at 0.87, most of it. So it was still a good plus 4x. But then it went to well, actually it went to I bought it at 0.02, it went to 0.087, which was like more than a 4x, and then it went to 0.3, which is basically nearly a 4x from where I got out, the 4x I got out at. So I wasn't going to miss that sort of move on this one. So I'm in on this one, and we got it, and we cleaned up. So pretty pleased about that. And yeah, and all in all, we started off with 2.5 Bitcoin in this. And this wasn't even at the start of the challenge, because as you guys know, it started off just Binance, and then we transferred 0.25 over to MXC, and well, once we get to 0.75, that will be a 3x of the MXC balance. So obviously Binance is just not helping us. It's helping us, but it's not performing quite as well. But hey, so that's it. It's the Binance challenge, day 26 days, 0.464 Bitcoin from 1 Bitcoin. Can't really complain. That's with my conservative trading account here. I mean, if you guys saw what I've been doing in my actual real accounts, well, yeah. Anyway, so thanks for listening, guys, and I will speak to you soon.